Okay, so welcome inside of LeadGrab. This is a live demo just to show you how easy it is to place a call to action on any website or page in just a few clicks. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking at the dashboard. You can see all the different campaigns that I just started to create, and you can see the unique LeadGrab link that you would give your subscribers in an email or a blog or however you're going to be giving this to your subscribers and following. Okay, and then I'm going to click on Create New, and I'm going to create a new campaign. So you can either do a snippet where it shows a little call to action either in the top or the bottom left, top right, or bottom right, or you can do a full screen where it takes over the entire screen, and then the user can either opt in or click to go somewhere, or they can click on No Thanks and then go to the page that they were looking at. But for this example, I'll show you guys the snippet. And once you have done that, you're going to see this editor. So it's going to first ask you, do you want to create a link, a button, a form, or an image? So depending on what type of lead grab you want to create, it will, you just choose which one. So for this one, I'm going to do a button. So you can see right here, I can manage, if you chose the agency edition, you'll be able to have multiple clients, and you can just choose your client and it'll show their image and their name right there. Okay, then you're going to choose your what page you want people to go to. So say that I want people to go to digitalkickstart.com, and I'm going to say we're doing a 50% discount for 3 days only. Okay, and then I'm going to say click here now, right? And then I'm going to have the button URL go to digitalkickstart.com. Okay, and so now I'm going to click on next, and it's going to take me, now I can adjust the appearance of it. So I can change the background color if I want to. Say I want this to be a dark blue, and then I want the text color to be white so it's easy to see, and then the action color, I'm going to have that button be, say I want that to be orange so it stands out. Okay, and then I can make this, I can do this whatever color I want to. Okay, now I could either enable social sharing or disable it. So basically you'll have this Facebook and Twitter icons here, and so if someone were to click on that, they could go and share a pre-configured message that you put in the next step. You could have that there. So you can either have it or not. That's completely up to you. And then we have all these different themes that you can choose from. So depending on which type of style you want, as you can see, there's lots of different options here. So say I just want to go with this option here, and I could either put it in the top right or top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, depending on where you want it to show. And I'm going to click on next, and then I get to put what, you know, the pre-configured message if someone were to share this on Facebook and on Twitter. So I could just say check out the 50% discount going on right now, and then it'll automatically append the LeadGrab link at the end of it. Okay, so I just did that for Facebook and Twitter. Now I'm going to click on Save Campaign, and it provides you with the LeadGrab link, and then I can just go, and so when you go to share this, it's going to load up the Digital Kickstart site, and it's going to show my LeadGrab link in the bottom left-hand corner. So once it's done loading up, you can see right there, and someone could click on it, and they could go to wherever it is that you want to direct them, or they can click it away if you want to do that as well. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create a snippet type of LeadGrab. Now I'll show you guys the full page one as well. So if I click on Create New, go to Full Screen, you'll see that it's going to be the entire screen. Okay, so I can choose my unique URL, whatever I want this to be. So webinar sale or something like that, and then I could where I want this to go to. So I want this to go to, say, digitalkickstart.com, and then I can choose how many seconds do I want to wait before this pops up. I'm going to want this to pop up immediately for the user. Okay, then you could have your overlay frequency. So if someone were to click on the link multiple times, you could either have the pop-up show, or the full screen opt-in show up immediately every single time, or you could say, you know what, I want to wait a day. So you know, if they do click on the link multiple times, it's not going to show up for at least 24 hours or 48 hours or whatever you want to do. Okay, then again, you can select the client, Mark this as a favorite if you want to, and then select your integration depending on which email integration you want to go to, which I've already pre-configured, but there's about 7 different email services that we offer, and we're going to be adding more as well. So it's really that simple. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to select my theme. So I can choose from all these different themes if I want to. I can go and just change it to this one or that one or whichever one I want to. Okay, and so I'll just leave it as this one for right now. I'll click on next, and I'm going to stick with that background theme. And I'll click next again. And then this is where you put in your headline. So gets 50% off our webinar software. Okay, and then you could say this is my description, so you can see it's just updating right there on the page. And then you could put in your address field right there, your button text, just say get access now. No thanks, that's just your no thanks link. So if they want to get rid of the full page opt-in and just see the page that you sent them to, you can do that. And then you have your from name, physical address, contact details, and then the successful message after they've opted in. Now once I've done that, it's going to save that, and it's going to provide me with a link up here at the top. So now when I use that LeadGrab link, it's going to take me to the URL that I specified, and it's going to pop up in a full screen the LeadGrab page. So you can see right here, there it is, get 50% off our webinar software description. You can opt in right there. So it's a full page opt-in. So you have the power with LeadGrab to create snippets or full page. Okay, and it tracks the number of clicks as well as conversions. Conversion being an opt-in form. So that is a live demo of LeadGrab.